Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have a new box and it is from Laurel and Reed. It's a monthly subscription clean beauty box. So it's full-size items, they're non-toxic, cruelty-free, and they're clean beauty. It is a monthly box. However, you can skip a box if you want, or you can cancel at any time. It is $54.95 a month plus shipping, and mine was $6.95. Now, if you just want a one-time box, it would be $59.95. So I don't know what to expect. I really don't. I don't know what to expect. So we are going to dive into this together. So just a little. Now, isn't this pretty? Oh, look at the ribbon. Love it. Okay. Laurel and Reed, a discovery and clean beauty, makeup, skincare, and wellness. And we also have a code off for 20% off the next purchase. Okay, here we go. Is this not classic? This is classic. I love this. So pretty. And they have the little branding. Taking the ribbon off. I'm loving the experience, you guys. And I'm going to apologize in advance if I start sneezing. I am fighting off something, you guys. Okay. When I open this, is when I see it first. What kind of goodies? Okay, I am not going to look at that just yet. I'm going to put that over there. And I'm going to gather this to get all the packings. And I believe, if I am not correct, the value of the box is supposed to be a minimum of $125 a product. Okay, so it looks like, ooh, so the brand this month is Forest Rhapsody. I keep feeling the box because it's kind of, it's not fuzzy. Oh gosh, what is this called? It's not velvet, but it's got a texture. It's fancy. So green nectar, marine hydrator. It is 1.9 fluid ounces. And the ritual, apply 1 to 2 pumps on slightly damp skin, massage with fingertips, or press gently until it is fully absorbed. Let's check it out. It says a little goes a long way with this extraordinary gem. It's pretty, you guys. Isn't that pretty? I want to smell it. I can't smell it. I've got a stuffed nose, but let me see if I can. Okay, I can smell something. Yeah, it smells like slightly spa-like. Okay, we have 2 more items by that same brand, Forest Rhapsody. This is Nocturnal Trilogy. It's a regenerative night cream. And the ritual for this is apply to dry skin and massage gently with fingertips until it is completely absorbed. You guys, I'm loving the outside of these boxes. Loving them. Let me close this here. Put that there. Okay, so here we go. It's even hard for me to see you guys on here with that gold lettering. Now why? Okay, so the product came out somewhat. wheel. Okay, I'd use my nail. Okay. It smells like something earthy. I wouldn't say something green, but it does smell like something kind of green. Even though this came out a little bit, you know, sometimes that stuff just, it just happens, you know. All right, and then the last item in the box. So some might be thinking, well, you only got 3 products. But we got 3 full-size products, you guys. So these are nice. Again, Forest Rhapsody Dew Drops. It's an enzymatic cleansing gel. So the ritual for this is massage a generous portion on your dry face and neck, moving in circular motion, remove with a warm, wet face cloth. Or if you desire, emulsify with a few drops of warm water and rinse off. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, wasn't expecting that color per se. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, it's very jelly-like, so I'm just gonna slide that off. It smells kind of citrusy, but again, you guys, I've got a stuffed nose, so the consistency. Ooh, yeah. Okay, well, you guys. Oh, let me read the card. Gotta read the card. Well, I can say right now, I mean, I'm impressed. For $54.95, getting 3 full-size products, you guys, I'm impressed. I'm very happy. Very happy here. So here's the pretty card. I think I might frame that. So pretty. Okay, so it gives you more information about each of the products, tells you some of the stuff in them, also gives you the instructions, and the Dew Drops, it gives you pricing. The Dew Drops is $69. The Green Nectar, which is this one, is $64. You ready for this one, you guys? The Nocturnal Trilogy, $120, you guys. $120. So here we're looking at 130. Is that 253? Is that right? 313. Yeah, $253 of product. With tax, I paid $61.90. So you can, let's see here, you can check out their website. So it is Laurel and Reed. Show me there. So you can check out their website. They have teasers and beauty tips. And then you can also subscribe to their email list. All right, you guys, I am extremely happy. So again, this is a monthly subscription, and go check it out. These right now, first impression, these are very quality products. I mean, really quality. I am not familiar with the brand, but that's okay. They look like they're very high quality. I mean, packaging it is good quality. So, okay, we're coming to the end of another session together. So, hope all is well in your, I want to say neck of the woods, but everyone take care. Bye-bye.